back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a wallet in 1inch wallet account. First of all, find and open 1inch application on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see Settings button. Click on it. Then, on the Settings tab, you will see My Wallets option. Click on My Wallets. Here, you can see Add Wallet option. Click on Add Wallet. And you can create a new wallet here. If you want to import the wallet, click on this button here. Or if you want to link hardware wallet, click on the second button. Or you can also use existing recovery phrase to create a new wallet. And you can also restore it from a backup. Now click on Create New Wallet here. In the field here, you can name your new wallet. And you can also select the color of it. You can also select various types of pattern here. After that, click on Create button. So that is how you can create a wallet in 1inch account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.